so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video we have the BOXYCHARM Premium versus BOXYCHARM Premium unboxing for June 2021. I will link my BOXYCHARM playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. BOXYCHARM Premium is $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 full-size items, and each box retails for over $150. I have two BOXYCHARM profiles. One is my true age, and it's more makeup heavy, whereas my second profile is double my age and more skincare heavy. One day I would love to be on BOXYCHARM's PR list to be able to do a PR versus purchase unboxing. Honestly, I was a little confused when I saw this guy. Since my main profile gets luxe and then my secondary profile gets normal base, I did take a little peek inside just to see, and it was premium. And this is what the inside looks like, and this is my actual profile. My choice item for this box was the Marc Jacobs Beauty at Lash Lengthening and Curling Mascara, and it retails for $27. I could not resist trying a Marc Jacobs mascara. Oh, I am so excited. I think this is like their newer one too. I'm very stoked for that. I know there was two different variations. You just got to choose Marc Jacobs and it randomly chose one for you. Definitely know that I like more lengthening and volumizing as opposed to curling, but curling does help when it comes to applying lashes. So I'm very excited to give this a shot. And this is what the wand looks like. Usually a lot of the volumizing wands are more of that hourglass shape. This kind of wand definitely caters to more lengthening and curling. So I definitely have high hopes for it. At $27, you better be giving me some good lengthening, volumizing, curling, the whole shebang, like my Ascent $4 mascara. And then my second choice item was the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion. I kind of have mixed feelings about the two choices that you get to do for BOXYCHARM Premium. I think it's a great idea to offer more customization. My only drawback is I hate how they break it up into categories. Just let me choose two products in itself. It does like the same thing as IPSY does, whereas I wish they would just put all the products in and just choose from there. Why do they have to categorize it? And what goes into factoring what is going into which category? Because there's usually one category I have no interest in, and then the other category it's like I want all these items. I don't understand. But anyway, Laura Mercier, another bougie brand. It's like we went shopping at Sephora. I haven't tried much from Laura Mercier. I've tried their tinted moisturizer, really loved it. I think they just reformulated it. And then of course the cult favorite translucent powder. If you have watched some of my tutorials, you all know I prefer banana powders. It just works a little better with my skin tone and it caters to more brightening. This is what the shade looks like, and it's called Cur Royal. I didn't expect this to be as light and mauve-y. It definitely looked more plum when I did it on choice, but either way, I love both colors of blush. I love blush. Blush is one of my favorite things next to eyeshadow. I love how dramatic this shade is, and it's quite unique to my collection. And that is Cur Royal Swatched. Very excited for this. I definitely think I'm gonna have to go light-handed, but it's me and it's blush, so I'm going to have very dramatic cheeks like I have on today. Next, by Earth Harbor, we have the Laguna Replenishing Body Serum, and it retails for $26. Literally, I think I just got this product, yeah. In, what was it, Fashionista last month? It was Fashionista or Glossy Box. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it as a backup because I don't like lotion, and something like this definitely feels fantastic, but maybe, just maybe, might put it in a giveaway. I'm so close to 4K, and I have seen some sneak peeks for the July BOXYCHARM boxes, and I definitely already own a handful of those items, so I definitely have a giveaway planned soon. Next, by Skin Regimen, we have the HA Booster, and it retails for $115. It's a Hydra Plumping Concentrate. This better be not only hydrating, plumping, the whole shebang, wrinkles, pores, be gone, with $115. I don't think I've ever used anything from Skin Regimen before. Apply a few drops on face, followed by the cream. All right, let's see. And it's starting to drip down. It's not that thick, and it soaks in rather quickly. Doesn't have like that heavy, oily, or greasy feeling. Very lightweight on the hand once it is absorbed. Too bad I don't have a cream to follow, but I'll definitely have to put this in my skincare routine to give it a shot. But I have a lot of expectations with something that retails for $115. I better be looking plump AF. Next by Pilum, we have an eye cream that retails for $39. This has a vitamin C and quinoa extract in it. I do enjoy vitamin C. When you hear that, it means a brightening, so I can definitely use that for my under eyes. Hopefully it's hydrating as well. And this is what the cream looks like. It's a pretty lightweight cream. It looks like it's almost kind of struggling, fully absorbing, like it's kind of staying on the surface as opposed to just going in. There is a scent to this. I don't think I like that for my eye cream because if it's going right under my eyes, so that could actually maybe cause a little bit of a burning sensation just from being a little irritated being so close to the eyes. Guess we'll see. Proceed with caution. After sitting on my hand for a while, it finally did fully absorb. It does feel smooth and hydrated, so hopefully we will also notice a difference in brightening when applied. Lastly, by Lorac, we got a liquid lipstick that retails for $19. I think Lorac is making a little bit of a comeback. I know that I have a couple of new palettes. I've also seen a couple of other new items on Beauty Bay. Beauty Bay has been my weakness lately, but this looks like typical Lorac packaging. It doesn't look anything new unless if they reformulated it. But this is a beautiful shade. This is Dusty Rose. You know I'm gonna be obsessed with the shade. I think I just found my new everyday shade. This is Dusty Rose Swatched. The name and shade combination did not disappoint. It is a beautiful Dusty Rose shade. It is going to complement so many different looks. This is like my perfect neutral shade. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed, and you guys know how much I love my reds, plums, vampy shades, but yes, I also love shades like this. Overall, I'm really stoked for my first premium box. I'm really excited to try more items from Marc Jacobs, Laura Mercier, and then there's some new skincare items like Skin Regimen and Pilum, and then that Dusty Rose shade is absolutely perfect. I haven't used the Lorac formula in quite some time, so it did take it a little bit of time to fully dry down, so I'm hoping that it's going to be super long lasting and comfortable on the lips. And then I have already received the Earth Harbor in a different subscription box, and I really enjoyed it, so I cannot wait to share one with you guys. Let's see what box 2 has in store for us. And this is the inside of box 2. My choice item for box 2 was the Dominique Cosmetics Transition Palette. It retails for $48. I already own this palette. I just want to make sure that it is not broken. I love the Dominique Cosmetics formula so much, and she's in good condition. So that means this is going to be going into a giveaway. I have my palette, so I will still do some swatches for you guys. I haven't gotten around to do a dedicated video on this palette. I wanted to do a really good duping comparability video to a lot of other palettes that might have similar shades to this one. Frothy, Natural, Caramel, Toffee, Honey. The mattes kind of feel a little bit harder, not as creamy to the touch, but man, one swipe on a bare arm, it is gorgeous. And just to remind you guys, there's nothing on my bare arm. There's no primer or concealer to act as a base. It's just my bare arm, one swipe. Soft and sweet, blushing, chai, cinnamon, coffee beans. Hazelnut, mocha, ash, coal, smoky. And this is the entire palette swatched. Definitely think that this palette has a lot of pigment to it. I really enjoyed the Dominique Cosmetics formula. I found it to be a really easy formula to work with. It's very blendable. I know me, I'm not used to an all matte palette. It was funny, I was reading something on Reddit the other day about how like the average makeup wearer prefers just like an all matte palette. Let me know in the comments below what you think of that. I know for me, I would definitely need some pops of shimmers here and there. Those ColourPop Super Shock shadows would come in clutch. The second item I got to choose was the Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate, and it retails for $68. Wander Beauty has really grown on me lately. I used to get annoyed seeing them in every single subscription box every single month, but now it is just like a surprise. And every product I have tried since then, I have been obsessed with. I get so excited for Wander Beauty these days. Oh wow, this is one pump. A lot of product came out in one pump. Oh, and it's like a thick cream, but it absorbs in. Wander Beauty was not messing around. There is like a very, very faint scent, but it smells so good. Definitely trying this tonight. My skin has been unusually dry this summer. I usually get more combination skin, and now that I'm spending time outside playing tennis, I'm still dry. This is gonna become my new best friend. Oh, my hydration and smooth. I'm gonna need like a keg of this just to bathe in. We got 2 repeat items, the eye cream and the Laguna body serum. So for sure, a Laguna will be coming your way, and I'm very excited to share this eye cream with you guys as well. Next, by Laura Mercier, we got the Pure Canvas Primer Illuminating, and it retails for $39. I was eyeing these primers when they were released because I wanted the hydrating one, but you know what, I'll take illuminating because, as I mentioned, dry skin. I was struggling hardcore with my foundation today with how dry it was. I wanted a more dewy look. It blew up in my face, so here we go. I will definitely be giving this a shot. Let's do a pump and see. This is what it looks like on the hand. I usually get really nervous with illuminating primers. A lot have backfired in my face, looking super hella greasy. It was not cute. I don't need to look like a tin man. This one looks like it's going to have a subtle glow. I would probably mix it with a hydrating primer, but it's subtle. It's not like overwhelming. And I probably wouldn't use it on my areas that pick up a little bit more dry because I feel like it will cling onto it. So maybe just everywhere else for just a little bit more of a glow as opposed to that super matte look. And then lastly, by Zoeva, we have the Pure Veller's Lip that retails for $15. Cool that we got a Lorac in one box and then Zoeva in another. And this is the shade Natural Aesthetic. This is Naturally Aesthetic Swatched. Now that I'm looking at it, it looks like it's going to pull a little bit more orange and corally, but we'll definitely get a better idea on the lips. I'm not that familiar with Zoeva. I only have gotten a handful of their products in subscription boxes, but I really like the doe foot. It is taking a little bit of time to dry down, but it looks super pigmented, and I hope that it's going to be very long wearing. Overall, I thought both boxes were pretty solid. It's hard to really say which box I liked a little bit more because I got some same products in both boxes. Then I already personally owned a Laguna and a Dominique Cosmetics palette, but that Wander Beauty product really took me by surprise. Both of them honestly were hits. So I have no complaints amongst both boxes, and I'm very excited to share with you guys 3 products that came in the box: the Dominique Cosmetics palette, Earth Harbor Laguna, and then the eye cream. I would love to know, do you guys get BOXYCHARM Premium? What items did you choose? What items did you get? Did you get different items than me or the same items? Let me know below in the comments how the items worked out for you. Did you guys get base, luxe? I'm still waiting for my luxe and my base boxes to arrive. I plan on doing a battle of the boxes with them. That way you guys can see what you get in the standard box and what you get if you upgraded it. And are you guys looking forward to July's boxes? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.